嚟到第15題，題目同我哋講話 P 乘 Q 係細過零，然之後同我哋講 Y 等於 PX 加1乘以 QX 加2，咁就問我哋個 graph 會點樣。咁咧，如果係個 graph 嘅話咧，我哋就可以先拆嗰個括號先，咁就可以得到呢個 expression。咁咧，首先佢 statement one 就話個 graph opens downward，咁係唔係啦？咁我哋係咪 open downwards 咧？就睇 x square coefficient 係咪 negative 嘅？咁題目俾咗啦 PQ 咧係細過零，咁 statement one 係啱噶啦。咁然之後 statement two graph has two x intercepts， 咁就我哋試下將個 y 等於零啊 ，px 加1然後 qx 加2等於零。咁我哋 solve 個 x 咧，我哋就會發現原來 xi 大等於-1除 p 或者-2除 q。咁佢的確有兩個 x intercept 啦，咁所以 statement two 都係啱嘅。咁最後 statement three 咧，就問 the graph passes through the origin， 問啱唔啱？我哋就嘗試去睇下，當 x 等於零嘅時候 ，y 等於啲乜嘢啦？咁所以咧，就當 x 等於零嘅時候咧， y 原來咧係等於2嘅喎，咁就唔係等於零啦。咁所以咧，個 graph 咧就唔 pass through origin， 咁所以就得 statement one 同 two 係啱嘅，咁所以答案係 A。